Today we will be going over the best $500 gaming PC you can build in 2023. And don't worry, it's not an APU build and it doesn't feature the RX 6500 XT that we all love. Hello guys and welcome back to Dom's Hardware. To kick off today's video, we will be selecting our CPU or central processing unit. Real quick, I will mention that most of the parts will be used so we can save money. Anyways, for this budget build, we will go for the Ryzen 5 3600. Heading over to eBay or the used marketplace of your choosing, you can easily get one of these CPUs for $60 or less. This little guy comes packed with 6 cores and 12 threads and offers amazing performance for the price. Sadly, since this is used, most of the time it won't come with the stock cooler, but if you get one that does, you can always skip this next part. Anyways, for our build, we will choose the Assassin X120 from Thermalright. This $20 cooler will keep our CPU nice and chilly. For the motherboard of this build, we can basically go with any B450 board, which once again on eBay I've seen them going for anywhere between $50 to $60. So for this build, we'll count them as $55. It's hard to give an exact model as people just sell whatever they have and at whatever price, but any B450 motherboard should be good, or if you find a really good deal, you can even get a B550 board. For our RAM or random access memory, we will be going with 16GB of DDR4, clocking in at 3200 MHz at CL16. We will be getting a nice 2x8GB kit so that we can get the extra performance boost from using dual channel RAM. The specific kit we will be going with is the Silicon Power Value Gaming DDR4 RAM. Coming in at just $34, it offers amazing value. We need something to actually store all of our stuff on, right? Of course we do, and for that we'll choose a 16TB hard drive. Kidding, who uses those anymore? Our storage, we will actually go with a 1TB NVMe solid state drive, since the price difference isn't that big these days. For this build, we will use the trusty Team Group MP33, a PCIe Gen 3.0 drive that, for all of you budget gamers, this is all you need for only $45 and a terabyte of storage. We got 3 things left: our power supply unit, GPU, and a case to house everything. For these 3 parts, we have $286 remaining. For the case, we'll grab the Thermaltake Versa H18, which you can get for just $43 on Newegg after a $10 rebate card. It comes with one rear 120mm fan, and there's really nothing else to it. Speaking of fans, we will add in some of our own with the Thermalright TL-C12CS 3-pack of 120mm RGB fans to add some extra aesthetic and lower temperatures for only $14. And as we all know, RGB equals performance. Leaving us with $249 left for our power supply unit and graphics processing unit. But before that, if you just take a moment to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, it'd really help me out a ton. Now right back into it. Lucky for us, we don't need such a high wattage PCU, and we can settle for the budget beast 550 watt version of the Thermaltake Smart BM2, a tier C rated 80+ bronze power supply. It is semi-modular and comes in at just $55. With such an amazing budget PSU, we can use the remaining $174 for the real juice of this build. Now the GPU will actually be pretty dependent on what deal you can find, but the lowest card that you can find easily is the RX 6600, but you can occasionally get a 6600 XT or 6650 XT for this price. You can get the 6600 on places like Newegg and eBay for just $160, even the 3-card Eagle fan from Gigabyte. Occasionally you can score a 6600 or 6650 XT for around $160, just take a look around. The final price breakdown looks like this. So in total, before taxes and shipping, we spent $486. So all in all, you got yourself a very capable gaming PC for under $500. Alright, well that does it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and wish you luck on your PC building / flipping journey. Make sure to comment what you want to see next, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you later.